Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to use Truecaller's call recording and cloud backup features. So now let's get started. Enabling call recording may not be available in all areas due to legal reasons. But if that feature is available in your region, all you need to do is launch Truecaller on your device and go to Settings. As I said, if it's available in your region, the call recording option will be available in the settings. After you find the call recording option, tap on it. Now toggle on Record Calls, grant access to microphone and storage. Choose to record all calls or selected ones, incoming, outgoing, or specific contacts. Recorded calls are saved automatically in your phone's storage. Access them in Call History or a specific folder. To enable Cloud Backup, open Truecaller, go to Settings and select Cloud Backup. Activate to save call logs, contacts, and recording to the cloud. You can also connect your Google account or other cloud services for backup. Choose your preferred backup schedule, daily or weekly. To recover data on a new device, log into Truecaller and your cloud data will sync. By using these features, you securely save and can easily recover important calls and data. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.